We just got these in and I wanted to share them with you. They're very special. They're made by hand right here in New England. They feature our original design. They come with this card, which has historical background on it and a historical account of the event from one of the participants. This bracelet, again, made by hand here in New England. Recognizing the Boston Tea Party, that important event, December 16, 1773. These come in this box with the card and the sticker. More than half of these, more than half of the ones that have been produced, and again, all made by hand, all here in New England, more than half have already been claimed. So if you're interested in this as a gift for you or for someone else, go to thehistorylist.com. Thanks.